Once upon a time, in the sunny fields of Radiator Springs, lived a friendly tow truck named Motter. He was known for his shiny red paint and his big, friendly smile. One evening, Motter noticed a small car struggling on the side of the road. It was a little car who had never been to Radiator Springs before. "Hello there, little one," said Motter. "What's wrong?" The little car was scared and shaky. "I can't go any further," it stuttered. "My tires are flat." Motter, with his kind heart, offered to help. He towed the little car back to his home, and with the help of his friends, they fixed its tires. The next day, the little car was back on the road, looking shinier and more confident than before. "Thank you, Motter," it said. "You made my first day in Radiator Springs wonderful." From that day forward, the little car and Motter became the best of friends. They went on many adventures together, learning and growing along the way. One night, they sat together under the stars, watching the moonlight dance on the fields. "Motter," said the little car, "you're more than just a tow truck. You're a friend, a helper, and a guide." Motter smiled, his heart full. "And you, little one, are a reminder that every journey, no matter how small, can lead to great adventures." And so, they drove off into the night, ready for another day of friendship, laughter, and adventures in Radiator Springs. The end.